Hello guys, welcome back to another index trading video. On Friday, I was on leave. I went for passport verification, passport document verification. Okay, so now we can see a 1 minute big candle, then breakdown. Then this is a false breakdown covered with a rally of around almost 100 points. Right? So definitely we can go here for buy entry. I guess price 16,850 will be better option for us. Okay, we will go with this strike price. Okay, so let's discuss how we are going to take trade, right? So here the momentum is bullish, though it has taken resistance from day high. Still, this is a up move, so we can say this is a retracement, right? So from here to here, if you calculate, this is 0.618 level, right? So here we got a one confirmation, uh, what is this? This is a retracement up to 0.618 level, right? So our stop loss will be like below this. Second, this is a retest zone, right? Retest zone. Again, you see it has to go up, right? So we will see bank nifty also. Just look at this up move retracement. It is going upside, right? So here we can definitely take entry. Our stop loss is going to be very small. Okay, I'm entering with, oh shit, I guess. Okay, nothing to worry about it. I didn't look at my SL as of now. But here look, like we will try to book profit early. I guess I have added 100 quantity more also, right? If you see over here, I will simply go here and let's see how this happens, right? So we are here in a live trade. I guess system is lagging bit somewhat. Okay, we have seen like profit of around almost 2600, right? And our entry has 156 level, right? So our entry must be at 153, 152 level, but our we are entered a bit late over in this trade, right? Okay, we will see how it goes. Nothing to worry about that. Like I missed that uh, 4 point. I entered a bit late in the trade, but like okay, nothing to worry about that, right? Okay, this is zero the glitch. If you see over here, just look at this. This is open at this level, but here zero the showing like candle open over there, right? Okay, so while talking about stop loss and target, we entered at a bit late in this trade. So our stop loss will be like around, we will see how much is our stop loss, like 12 points, and our target will be like 20 points or 24 points, right? Over there, right? Okay, we will see, we'll place our target at 180 level randomly, and then we will modify that order according to that profit, right? So limit 180 level, say like if this spikes comes, then our order will get automatically executed, right? Okay, we'll see over here. Just look at this. So there is a possibility of this also, like downfall, retracement, downfall. Maybe this trade they will continue, but I don't know, right? So here my entry was at this level, but I entered a bit late in this trade, right? So over here we will see. Okay, 400 quantity is there. I guess 400 quantity. That means we are going to take risks of almost 400 into 12. I guess 4,800 rupees, right? Maybe we can say 15 also, because if we exit at market price, then might we book a big. Okay, 6,000, right? 5,000. Okay, my stop loss will be like 2 to 3k, but here we entered a bit, like that was sure short trade, but we entered 4 rupees extra. Okay, we will take that risk also, and we will close the day in the single trade, or we will reduce our quantity size, right? But as of now, market is looking good. Like these are small candles, and it may give a big candle if this high gets broken, right? Okay, we will see how Bank Nifty is going. Okay, Bank Nifty is also given a red candle over here, a big positive candle. Here it is trying to go upside, but this candle, look at this candle. This candle is looking like a retest candle. Just see, it went up in the first minute itself, right? And this has, like, this is shows that wick from upside. So sellers will try. If candle goes below this, it will continue its downfall or downtrend, which is like from yesterday, right? Okay, we will see, like we have a stop loss and target, everything planned over there, and we can definitely exit in the middle also. I will edit this. Oh, sorry. I will edit this order. Like this trade also has shown us 2,600 profit at that time. If we book at market price, then definitely it will be like 2,500 also over there, right? Okay, we will see over here how our trade goes in our favor or not, right? So here if you see, target is this level. Nothing, no matter it hits 180 level or not, we have to exit at market price, because here our target will get hit, right? 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, what we say, right? you see a buy position, we made our buy position over here with the stop loss of this. So that is our mistake, that we took entry late or that rate. So we don't go with our entry, we go with this standard entry and we will book target at that level, right? If you see that time profit running around like 3 4,000 I guess. Okay, we'll see, like we will wait for our trade to execute, trade to happen, right? So this is the last minute time candle closing strong. So definitely we can take big target also, but like this is a first trade, like this was a BTST and I took a small trade over here, so we will not go with this trade, right? Okay, let's see how market gives closing on this level. Okay, it went like it didn't close with a strong, okay, it closed with a strong candle but did not open with that much strong, right? So here if you see that profit went down to 1,000 rupees itself, right? So here we have to notice all these things, right? Over there also, okay, see, it is at resistance level, right? So here our target got hit but we did not exited, right? Here if you see our target was this level, right? Sorry, this level, right? This candles. So here if you see at this level market went up but did not touch. Okay, nothing to worry about that. And as per the strategy it has to go up to like at this level, right? At this level 930 940 level, right? So we will wait till this, like in options it has to hit 180 level itself, right? Though our target is 178, but still we have, like we know that if it goes like at this level definitely it is going to hit 180 189, right? Okay, as per seeing the bullish moment I'm modifying the order to 185 level. Just this momentum is strong and I don't want to like I am going to trail my stop loss right over here. Okay, if you see it has a high of 175, if you see in that of Nifty index over there, just see the momentum, right? Okay, over here, okay, it is going upside, so 185 will be like perfect because it has hit it here. So if candle stops here, then definitely it will hit my 185 target itself. Okay, we are waiting for a target to get hit. Like 180 level is got hit over here, so we will try to see how market is giving closing over there. If you see Bank Nifty has broken and like yesterday retest is a very much upside. Okay, let's wait for our trade to execute. Okay, just see in index chart our target got hit, but in option chart our target did not hit it, right? So I will try to get it at oh sorry, my order got executed. Okay, so by trailing SL we have booked a good profit over there like 185. That's nothing, like that's a good amount of profit, right? So if you see in this trade we book more than 1:2 itself, right? So I wanted to trail my sorry, stop loss and wanted to increase my target, but here that I was getting a sufficient with that risk, right? 6,000 risk we have booked almost like 12,000 rupees, right? So here just simple trade, like nothing, like don't, no need to just look at 189 itself hit, right? So here that's what I wanted to do, like I wanted to take big profit up to this week only, right? So if you see in Nifty I wanted to take profit at this week only, right? So I'm not going to hold sorry, I'm not going to hold this trade for more than this week because it just giving me a good profit over there, right? If you see it has hit at 190, so I place order at 195 itself, right? Because I can't expect 205 level out at this level because market can reverse any time from here, right? Okay, so I will go with the first trade itself, right? So I was carrying a BTST position over there because if you see in indexed, okay, I will go with the 15-minute time frame. So okay, market is going upside, retracement upside, and retracement and upside, right? So at this level, I tried a small quantity over there, right? Okay, if you see over here, just look at downfall, like this is a retracement, but this up move is not a retracement, right? If you see over here, this is a downfall, right? So this is the downfall, this is a retracement again downfall, right? But here this is up move, so here this up move, retracement, up move, and here a gap up open, but we can avoid this also because this is a strong selling, right? So here downfall, like retracement, right? Again up move, again retracement, again it has to go like this. So here my stop loss was very small, right? Over here, right? Over here. So and quantity was very small, I guess 50 100 quantity I guess there, right? But it has opened over here and as soon as the low broken, so I exited um, by that quantity also. If I tell you in 1 minute time frame where I do exited, okay, so here I exited my that BTS trade. If you see this was the range, and at this level I exited. If I show you in show you here itself, just look at this 921 level, right? So at 921 level, if you see, as soon as this candle closes, I exited. Just see over here, just look at this, right? In this beginning of the candle I exited, right? And then I realized that this big candle with a hammer, like not a big candle but this strong hammer, again second candle closed very strong. So what I did, I wanted to scalp a trade till like we can say a retracement level, Fibonacci retracement level, right? So I entered and I like measured that, and my target was out around at this level, right? So Fibonacci retracement level, right? So I entered with the same strike price with a 500 quantity, because this is an intraday trade, right? Okay, this is intraday, and I exited with the intraday target, right, itself, and this has covered all losses and converted that trade into a profit of 1014 level, right, 45 level. And if I hold that trade, na, that will give me, like, if you see, I exited at 130 level, and if you see now, that went up to like 160 level, but that was my intraday trade. So I'm not sure like market will reverse that much or not, right? If I go on chart, just see. Okay, this is a P. Oh, sorry. This is the CE graph, right? Okay, if you see over here, okay, here, right? So my entry was at this level. If you see, my entry was at this level, and I exited at this level one, right here. So here the logical, there is a stop loss also, like there is a consolidation in options also. So here my first target, but it went up to like 170 level. So if I hold and trail like this entry, then it might hit, like I might book more profit, like from 106, I guess, to 150 itself, like 150 itself. So like 41, like 20,000. So if I hold that trade, it will be like 20,000, right? So, but that was not a planned trade because the trend was sell. So I just tried a scalping trade over there, right? And that was a good profit for that amount also, because 106 and 120, like I booked 20 point in this trade itself, right? Okay, that BTSC I took SL with 100 quantity, nothing to worry about that. Okay, and this was a 400 quantity with 156 and one like 30 point, I guess, right? 30 point. Okay, okay, nothing to worry about that. If you see in now Nifty, just look at this level, right? Just look at this level. It has given a spike over there, right? So if you see here itself, right? I guess which strike price we took, say 680, right? 50, 16,850, I guess. So 850, it has hit almost like 180 points, I guess. I will see like how this went, right? Okay, in 1 minute time frame, if you see, stocks, like if we entered, okay, hit 50, where we entered at this level, right? So our entry got executed 156. Just see, we entered to enter at 152 level itself, and we exited at 185 level, right? So here, and my target was 195, and it got hitted within the 2 minutes, right? Within the next 2 minutes itself, right? But nothing to worry about that, like that order got executed in a flow, so we did not able to modify that order itself, right? Okay, yeah, like we will book 10 point, that is 4,000 extra, but nothing to worry about that. But this is like favorable risk reward ratio for me, and that's like how I book, like in the morning itself 12,000. Nothing to worry about that. And we have not also, like if you see info over here, we have utilized only 50%, like 50-60% amount in only one trade, right, over here. Okay, we will analyze market and then see how we can take trade. Like here, it is just consolidation, so I am not going to enter, right? I need a retracement, and this is like 17,000 round number over there, and it has to take resistance, and it has to give a false big red candle, and then it has to cover and then go up, so that market will able to sustain at that level, right? Okay, nothing to worry about that. This is a pure sell trend, and this is like not a retracement trade. But here it took resistance at day high and went down. So here we thought like up move, retracement, up move. We have also seen 0.618 level. We have also seen like two green candles, and then we entered with a very small stop loss. Like we noted that our stop loss like 10 12 rupees, and then we waited for our stop loss and target, and our target got hit. We did not waited for jackpot trade over here. If you see, we booked almost like 58 points with a stop loss of around 20 points, right? So here itself a 2.2 is 1 is to 2.5 trade over here, right? And that's how you have to do. You have to book profit according to the index movement, right? Don't go with options, because options premiums do expire, right? They decay over time. They will not make same high as index. If you see index is making, okay, here itself like good. But if I show you, I guess where was that, like we have seen over here, right, itself. If you see like open at this level, okay, at this level, now looking same, I don't know. Okay, in the morning volatility is good. Okay, so we have booked a good profit over here. I will see like downfall, retracement, again a downfall, right? So downfall, sorry, yeah, up move, retracement, up move, retracement, and again up move, right? And here it is taking a constant resistance. So as soon as this high gets broken, this will test first target, second target, right? Okay, we need a strong reason to enter, I guess. Like that's a good trade, like previous one, but we exited early. But we exited with 1 is to 2.5. That is good enough, right? Because 30 point we take with a stop loss of 12 rupees, right? 30, not 34 points. Like if we enter at right price, we will be able to book 34 points. For how much? That is for a stop loss of 12 rupees, that is 2.83, but we booked 30 point for a 12 rupees stop loss, right? So that is 2.5. And just see like this is a retracement candle. Look at this, there is no downfall, but you don't know where it will come, and then it will go up, right? So here you have to see a candlestick moves, how candle forming, like going down, going upside, closing with a hammer, closing with an engulfing, closing with a pin bar and engulfing candle. That's you have to take, right? That's you have to study and analyze. And these things you will get to know with time, but you have to think like that, right? If I tell you, like if I took this from here, if you see here, you are taking from here, so you have to probably go with the 0.236 or 0.382 level, right? Or you can directly go with this, and you can note like 0.236 or 0.382. So you have to go with this. Don't come here for 0.5 level, like it can came up to over here, because this will, like if it is come at 0.5 level, then it might can look, I will draw this like uh, up move retracement, it has to go up. Like up move retracement, it has to go up. Like up move retracement up to 0.5 level, but this will be noted as a, just look at this, same level fall, same level fall. So if it is go up, then it will take resistance at this level and then came down, because this will be like downfall, retracement, and again downfall. So here to go with the trend, it has to go with the very small very small retracement, or we can say 0.3, like 0.236 or 0.382 level itself, right? So it is going upside, so here you can take trade. But this is just a consolidation, so I am not expected, right? I will be like, okay, I can take trade here also with a target of very big target, right? So here my target was very small, first target, that's why I was focusing on to not to enter. But here it has tested 2 3 times like resistance, resistance, resistance. So if it is goes break, gives breakout, it can go up to like first target. So I can definitely take trade with a very small stop loss with a very small quantity, right? Okay, I will just delete this. And I don't want to enter that retracement, like sorry, consolidation, right? So I need a retracement and then a strong engulfing candles, right? So here if you see, this is a retracement and this is the strong candles which were forming over at this level, and stop loss was very small here also, but the candle size is very small, and this is just a consolidation in the box, right? If you see, just see resistance, support, it is consolidation inside the box, right? And it has wicks, so it can come down over from there also. Okay, we have marked this level as previous support and resistances or key levels over here. Just see like this level, how it is respecting this level. Just see like this level, this level. I don't know. We will see how, why we have drawn these levels or these levels over there, right? I'll switch to the 15-minute time frame and I will note. Okay, see, just look at this level. This is like closing level, right? And here, just see here. If you see, just look at resistance, resistance, and like support, false breakdown, and support. Just see the importance of this level, right? Okay, we will see like these levels are okay. Just see this like closing over there, like see the importance of this level. Just look at this, just look at this. So these three levels are very important, and just see this like how they are respecting. Okay, talking about the candle closing, just see here, this is a down, like up move, a retracement 5 minute candle. As soon as this high gets broken, this will move very fast upside, right? So here it has to close strong and go above this level. And just see this, like 5 minute candlestick pattern, downfall, a hammer candle, like a doji candle you can say, and again up move, retracement, up move, and it's a small retracement and it's going upside. So right, this is the way that you have to think. And 1 minute candlestick pattern, you cannot downfall, it has to retracement, but it has given a up move, retracement, up move, retracement, up move, right? Over here if you see, our entry must be at, like our entry will be at this level, 186, and it is giving us a profit of 10 rupees for a stop loss of around 10 rupees, right? So 1 is to 1 over here hit, and it's going upside. Okay, right, if you see over here, just look at this, it has hit our 15 point, like 1 is to 1.5, right? And definitely you can go with the big target, because here we have seen a engulfing candle. Yeah, though it has a wick and it has to go above this wick, but definitely you can take a 9 rupees stop loss instead of booking a small profit, right? Okay, we will see in trading view how it is going. Just look at this 15-minute strong candle. So you have to place stop loss very wisely according to our strategy. If you are entering with a strategy of 15-minute candle, you have to place stop loss here with a very small quantity, like one lot or two lot, right? You can't take for 5 lot, 6 lots, 8 lot, right? How much is video length? It's like around 20 minutes. And just see, like I will not make another video, because like we have made a good profit today itself, right? So just see how it is going upside, right? Over here it has closed very strong. If you see, still we are in a profit of 10 rupees, 10, 11 rupees, right? But that is not our strategy. Our strategy is about booking profit at first target and second target and third target, like this, right? So if you see in bank nifty is also trying to go upside, but here you have to notice this is an inverted flag and pull button. This might retest at this level also, so you have to book profit, right? And still if you are getting 1 is to 2, like 1 is to 1.5, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, like up to over here, if you see our entry was at 185 level, so here you are getting 30 point, that is 1 is to 3, so you can probably book profit at 216 level, right? Okay, like this is the consolidation, so we did not enter, but that was a good setup, and it has given 1 is to 1.5 itself, right? Within a very small range, right? If you see, like this is a very small candles, and still it has given a very good profit over there. Okay, nothing to worry about that. We will wait for an opportunity, right? We will go with the higher time frame analysis. If you see, just look at this level, right? So here we will draw our intraday. Just look at, this is a resistance, right? And you can extend up to this also, right? If you see over here, okay, right? So here this is the trend line which was taking support, now it is taking resistance, but nothing to worry about that, because uh, it is closing very strong here, so it has to, like, okay, as soon as the high gets broken or 5 minute candle closes above that level, you can definitely take trade. Just see, it is taking the same resistance, right? Okay, I guess in 1 minute time frame is a rising waves pattern, but here we are not interested on selling side, because trend is like somewhat bullish, and it has to give a negativity sign so that we can take trade on negative side, right? So here I am interested here only if downfall, retracement, downfall. So I am interested at this level, not at this level, right? So again, right, I am interested at this level, right? So if I uh, take trade, I will take trade as per as like this, right? So this is the simple thing that you have to follow, right? Okay, the reason for not entering in consolidation is, in consolidation stop loss get hit many times. If you see over here, okay, here is not exited, but just see, it can go very now very, okay, I will try to enter in CE option 102. Okay, which strike price should I choose? Okay, this is engulfing candle, that's right. So here at the closing time it is going upside, so that's why I'm trying to enter in this trade. Okay, just see, like this is a Zerodha glitch. I don't like Zerodha for this reason, right? Like I have a network issue, or it is showing me like this, I don't know, right? So I have to do these things, like Okay, where was that? Okay, here itself. If you see 5 minute candlestick pattern is just a file. Okay, where was our entry? Or where was our entry? Okay, we are entering at. I shit. I have to cancel my order because I placed order at. I did not place order. I placed order at. I have to place order at market price, but I placed order at limit price, right? So if you see, it went up, very much up, not a very much up, but it went up with a good. We'll see in 5 minute time frame what will be your stop loss and target, right? Over here 16,900 there, right? 16,900, I guess. See options over here. Okay, 32,000 will be like 30% of our account size right now as of today. Okay, candle closed with a way like not a sure short candle over here, but the trend is positive, so definitely you can go on buy. I don't know which price I got. Arey yeah, what is happening? Again at market price. Shit. Shit man, I missed this call again. Entered at like again placed them. Arey. Okay, nothing to worry about that. But like we were entering at 163, 164 level, right? So here we got almost like 10 point. Now if you see the strategy working and all our target got hitting. Okay, nothing to worry about that. We still like happy that our trade given a 15 point within a single minute. Like again we did the same mistake. We placed the order at limit price. So like here also I did the same mistake, and over there also I did the same mistake. Now don't need to enter, nothing to think like fear of missing out the trade. We don't want to enter at a bit higher price so that our stop loss will be like how much, 52 points in index, and target will be like only 30 points, right? So here we are not going to enter in the states. Here still we are getting 1 is to 1, like 10 points here we are getting. If you see like here we are entering, our stop loss will be like 10 12 points. Again it has given one is thing, and target was like if you see for this strike price, like which strike price we were discussing, for this strike price, right? So for this strike price our target was 216 and it got hitted, I guess. If you see day high 215. Okay, still 55 paisa remaining, but you can definitely book profit at 215 level also, right? If you see like 215, that's probably fine, and it will hit your target till 225 level itself, right? But it has to go upside till. Okay, I guess index has given up to resistance level, but that option did not win. But definitely you can hold your winning trade. For this trade, I guess you have entered, like we have planned to enter at 184 level, and it is giving us a profit of 27 points, right? Okay, good till as of now, and we have missed the two times the same trade. Like I'm entering with 2000, sorry, 200 quantities. So like we missed 2000 profit over here, right? Okay, nothing to worry about that. And it is giving a strong closing. Also, like it will give, if it is give strong close, then definitely. Okay, let's see. Like this was the trade. Like if I hold this trade also, this might give me like 130, like 40 points, that is 20,000 rupees extra over here, right? Okay, nothing to worry about. That rate has hit 180 level, I guess, 180.60 itself, right? So if you see over here 212. Okay, I wanted to enter in this trade, but the stop loss is very big, so that's why I am trying to avoid my trade. And here our first target got hitted, right? If you see, just look at this level, right? So that this is how the market works, and you have to take trade on that basis. Like if you miss entry at this level, you definitely have to take entry. And I tried at this level, right? But the two times that shit happened, but nothing to worry. Like I am not regretting that trade also. Inside me, I am very much regret. Why did I not take this trade? Okay, here if you see our target of 20 point got hit 1 is to 2 itself, and still it is going upside, but here I will try to book profit because just look at this level, man. Who gives 20 25 points within 5 minutes or 10 minutes, right? Okay, that's it for the day, guys. Closing my day with good profit today. Okay, thank you, guys.